Find honest and concise food reviews without unnecessary drama. Watch until the end for a chance to win a $25 gift card. Recently, I visited Patisserie and Aria Casino in Las Vegas, and here's my honest review. The coffee was strong and bold, but be careful as it was served very hot. They have a variety of delicious options like granola bowls, fruit cups, salads, sandwiches, pastries, and more. I tried their pumpkin cheese Danish and dulce de leche pastry. Both pastries had a flaky and crispy crust with a delightful filling. The flavors were on point, and the freshness of the pastries was evident. If you're in Vegas, definitely give this place a try. It's popular for a reason. If you appreciate my channel helping you decide which restaurants to try, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more delicious culinary adventures. Thank you for your support.